Nice leather bag to keep. So it's been opened by customers. I don't care. 7 days and it got here. It was delivered by a local company. Are we recording? Right, okay, we have an issue here. I've been trying to do a little review on this for the past 5 minutes and my phone would not record. It would start and then stop. It's because the app for this device is running in the background. So I've had to basically shut it down, force stop. Now, this thing is the only thing I've gotten from AliExpress that does not do as advertised. Everything else does. The only issue I've had with any AliExpress products has been the compression fire stick, and there's a good chance that's my fault, not it, because I got damage to my wrist, so I don't have that kind of wrist strength to give it a good smack. It could be the device, but it could also be me, so that's why I've not complained about it much. This thing does not, it feels extremely cheap, really cheap, and it's not just that, it's the fact that it does not have what it is advertised to have had, which is 4K cameras, and one of them is meant to be 8K. It's only got 2 cameras. It's got that little one there, that's just a blank, and one there. That's all it's got. And those cameras are, I'd guess, 480 or a 720 DPI. Extremely low resolution. You can see the lines on your phone. It's that poor. It's certainly not 8K, 4K, 2K, 1K. I doubt it's even 720 DPI. So it's also, this thing on top does not work. It's supposed to push a button and it works. It does not work. And it's gone to the point now where it wouldn't even take off. And it's not because I crashed it or damaged it. It's just a really cheap, nasty knockoff that's not doing the job. It's that simple. And that is what I'm guessing is the reason why there are no reviews online about it. Because when someone does complain about these things, they probably get it deleted straight away. So, yeah, do that to me as well, because I'm going to post this pretty soon. I'm trying the refunds policy with AliExpress. First time. It's very confusing because it's written in broken pidgin English. So it's written by Chinese people and translated into English, and it makes no bloody sense whatsoever. I think I should have had to contact the seller first, but there is no way to contact the seller. You get messages from these people, but it's just an automated AI thing, so you can't respond to them. It's just them telling you about more crap they want to sell you. So there's no way to contact them until after you've contacted and complained to get a refund to AliExpress. And then they say, well, have you contacted the seller yet? Well, no, because there's no way to do it. So I've gone through the process with AliExpress. I've told them I'd go for their instant thing instead of a cash refund. You can apply for a cash refund, but it takes longer. You can apply for this instant money back. It's different expressions, but essentially what they're going to give you, hopefully give me, is store credit. I'll give you an idea of how uninspiring this is. I paid I think it was £27 for it. I'm not going to bother worrying about things like delivery and stuff, yeah. But I think it was £27. They are now for sale for 70p. 70p. Now, if you want to get your kid a little toy that you can fly around the garden, yay, without recording anything, that's fine. If you actually want something that's going to record, no, it's worthless. It's useless. I tried for about an hour, but the fact that it would not record on my phone, that's where there's no SD card slot for it. You have to record it on your phone. Plenty of space, plenty of RAM on there, and it wouldn't record. I could take pictures, but it would not record. So it's worthless. It's useless. There's no point in me having a drone that I cannot record video with. That's the whole purpose. So I'm going to put this online now, and we'll see what happens. I did say in the comments thing, because you can add more information, like they're going to give a crap about that. So I did say I will be posting a review on my YouTube channel. Last little comment on this is that it felt secondhand when I got it. It did feel as if somebody already bought it and sent it back. That's what it felt like. It felt like a secondhand thing because there was no like lens protector on the cameras. Normally you get like a piece of plastic covering them up, anti-scratch. There was none of that, and it felt like somebody had opened it messed about with it, and then packed it away and sent it back for a refund. It just felt like second-hand goods. And it does nothing that it's supposed to.